In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page color to your document in Microsoft Word. So let's say we want to insert a page color. You're in this document, you can always come to insert, and you can always come to design over here, and you'll be able to see page color down here. You can click and you have the theme color and standard coloration or no color if you want to remove. So let's say we're going with something simple, something like this, and you can see with just one click it has added the color to your pages. Okay, if you want to change, you can always come over and change it to something like this, something simple. Yeah, kind of like something like this, and you can see the color is there. And if you want to change by adventure, you want to say no color, you can, or you can say more colors. You can be able to define. If you have the color hex code, you can paste it in here and be able to add your color directly. Okay, very easily. Now at any given point, if you decide to remove the page color, you can always come back to the same design, come to page color, you can click and say no color, and now you're back to the default when you started. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.